How can you maximize your stack through mining? Bitcoin mining is the process in which specialized computers compete in a lottery to add transactions to the blockchain. The computer that produces a correct number first broadcasts it to the node network, where other nodes verify the claim. The winning computer is then rewarded with the block subsidy, newly minted Bitcoin, plus transaction fees. Anyone can participate in this process, and miners range from hobbyists to NASDAQ-listed multinational corporations. Whether mining in a garage or a large facility, every miner faces the same immutable software rules and physical constraints, and needs to consider several factors to maintain profitability. 1. Equipment and infrastructure. Investing in the latest, most efficient hardware will translate to lower overheads and higher profits. Effective cooling and routine maintenance are also critical to keeping hardware running efficiently. 2. Mining pools. Solo ASIC miners can run for years, even decades, before winning the lottery, so pooling hash power with other miners is essential to smooth out this volatility. However, each pool comes with its own fee structures and payout models, so the key is finding the model that aligns with your profitability goals and risk tolerance. 3. Energy costs. Energy accounts for the vast majority of miners' operational costs. There are a range of strategies miners can use to optimize these costs, including choosing locations with lower electricity rates, implementing dynamic demand response measures, and negotiating favorable power contracts. 4. Risk management and adaptability. Changes in Bitcoin price, network difficulty, block subsidy amounts, and overall market conditions can make or break miners. Maintaining an agile and responsive approach, including cybersecurity measures and financial hedging, helps manage risk and capitalize on growth opportunities. 5. Regulatory and legal compliance. Mining operations must navigate local laws and tax structures, which can significantly impact profitability. Finding favorable jurisdictions and staying compliant with evolving regulations can make a substantial difference. At Simple Mining, we provide our clients with access to our state-of-the-art facilities in Iowa, where every factor is optimized for profitability so you can focus on maximizing your stack. For more information, visit simplemining.io.